welcome back to my channel. Great to see you again, and welcome to our first time. It's great to have you on board. Hey, if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe underneath. That way every week we can come from my kitchen to your kitchen. We can have fun together making these great little recipes. Today we're going to do a cookie that is made traditionally in Italy during Carnival, which is February. During the festival they make this, and it's called Crostoli. Crostoli, or chiacchiere, which means a lot of talking, or angel wings in New York. These are made sort of like a pasta dough, but it's a little bit sweet but not too sweet. They're cut, fried, and then covered with icing sugar. They're absolutely light, great with coffee, great with milk, great dipped in chocolate. Just some honey on it. My God, they're absolutely lovely. Why don't you sit back, let me show you how we cook these. So as you know, it's not overly complicated, however, quite delicious and quite fun to make. Guys, it's just like pasta. If you don't have a pasta machine, you can use a rolling pin. Just cut the pieces small and then roll them out with a rolling pin until they're flat and really thin. And then use a cutter, a knife, or even a ravioli cutter, whatever you have. A pizza cutter will work. But listen, you have to try them. They're absolutely delicious. Your family and friends will love it, and you will have a blast making them. Once again, guys, thank you for joining us. If you like this video, don't forget to give us those likes. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. That way every week can come from my kitchen to your kitchen. Guys, give us those comments and feedbacks. We'd love to hear them. Let me know what you like to see us make, and we'll do it for you. And please share the video with your family and friends, and we'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.